Tribute to Mawlana Rumi, the greatest Sufi, mystic, scholar, Islamic theologian, and poet in Persian language. Mawlana Rumi's background: Mawlana Jalal al-Din Rumi, 1207 to 1273, often known simply as Rumi, was a renowned Persian poet, Sufi mystic, scholar, and Islamic theologian. His teachings and poetry explore the themes of divine love, inner peace, and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment, which have made him a timeless figure whose works transcend cultures and religions. Life and spiritual journey. Rumi was born in Balkh, now in Afghanistan, and spent most of his life in Konya, Turkey. His father, Baha al-Din Walad, was a respected scholar, and Rumi followed in his footsteps, becoming an influential religious scholar and teacher. However, Rumi's life changed profoundly when he met the wandering dervish Shams of Tabriz. Shams became his spiritual mentor and closest friend, and their deep, transformative friendship opened Rumi to intense mystical insights and a new, ecstatic path of devotion to God. When Shams disappeared and was likely murdered by those who disapproved of their bond, Rumi channeled his grief into his poetry, leading to some of his most powerful work. Key works: 1. Mathnawi, Masnavi. A 6-volume poetic work often referred to as the Persian Quran. It is filled with allegories, stories, and parables that guide readers through the nature of the soul and the relationship between humans and the divine. 2. Diwan-e Shams-e Tabrizi. This collection of passionate and mystical poetry was inspired by his friendship with Shams. It includes many of Rumi's most famous ghazals, lyrical poems, exploring love and divine union. 3. Fihi ma fihi. This prose work, meaning it is what it is a collection of his lectures, offering insight into his views on religion, ethics, and spirituality. 4. Majalis-e Saba. A lesser-known work, this collection includes 7 sermons that Rumi delivered to his disciples on various spiritual and ethical topics. Philanthropy and influence. While Rumi himself did not establish philanthropic institutions, his teachings on compassion, service, and love have inspired countless individuals and groups to undertake philanthropic work in his name. Sufi orders based on Rumi's teachings, such as the Mawlana order, the whirling dervishes, emphasize selflessness, humility, and service to humanity. His impact has extended into charitable initiatives, particularly in Turkey and Iran, where many organizations dedicated to social welfare, education, and peace building draw inspiration from his teachings on love and unity. Top 10 quotes by Rumi's teachings inspire self-discovery, love, and spiritual growth. He believed that each person holds the universe within and saw pain as an opportunity for enlightenment. His quotes encourage us to seek our true purpose, trust in life's path, and live authentically by following what we genuinely love. Top 10 quotes by Rumi. 1. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. A reflection on the oneness of all creation. 2. The wound is the place where the light enters you, suggests that our suffering can lead to spiritual growth. 3. Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray. An encouragement to follow one's passions and true calling. 4. Out beyond ideas of wrongdoing and right-doing, there is a field. I'll meet you there. A vision of unity beyond dualities and judgments. 5. Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes round in another form. Rumi viewed loss as part of life's transformation process. 6. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. A call to recognize the vast potential within each individual. 7. What you seek is seeking you. Speaks to the inherent connection between our desires and the universe. 8. Wherever you are and whatever you do, be in love. A message on embracing love as a way of life. 9. Why are you so busy with this or that or good or bad? Pay attention to how things blend. Rumi encourages us to see beyond polarities. 10. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. urges living one's life in alignment with one's passions. Rumi's teachings. Rumi's teachings remain a guide for those seeking inner peace, love, and a deep connection with the divine, and his legacy lives on in the hearts of readers and seekers around the world. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more incredible legends, then do not forget to subscribe our channel Naman Voice 84.